Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everybody. It coming along dinner time, but we got time to do another battle or two, and then I guess I'll have to go get some dinner going. But welcome to the channel. Welcome, welcome, welcome. All right. We're in the big race today, destroying all enemy ships or capturing the base. Hot dog. We into Bellerophon,
Action stations.
and we're gonna go do what we can do. We just, oh mercy, I hit the wrong button. I stopped. I want to go forward, darn it. Full speed ahead. She ain't got no more, Captain. Well, you better find more, 'cause we need to go. All right. All right. I like it, and I want you to subscribe, and once you hit that little bell notification, get all the latest videos I put up when I put them up. I try to get you at least some out every week. I'm not going to put a number on nothing, but I will try to get some out every week. Yes, I will. I hope you enjoy it as much as I enjoy it. I really enjoy this game. I play it much more than I do other games. I'm not going to fill my YouTube channel with a bunch of different games because I don't want the fire to go out in any one game that I'm playing. You know what I mean. Too many irons can definitely put a fire out. Alright, people, here we go.
Torpedoes to starboard.
Well, I'll be somebody got him before I did. Alright, here we go.
Enemy cruiser sighted.
Swing them guns around, boys. Swing them guns around. Aiming on
Taking the lead.
getting at least one kill today.
Torpedoes direct front.
Torpedoes direct front.
Torpedoes to starboard.
I don't see them. Oh, there they are. That's not direct front. And now it is. Alright. We'll go back to HE. Try to save a fire. Just poking holes don't always work. Sometimes it's better to just burn them up or let themselves burn up. You know what I mean. Or I hope you do anyway. Circle back around you. I think I destroyed him getting first. Nope. Somebody behind me got him. Probably that destroyer. Alright, let's make a loopy-doo here. We'll come back over here and help him out with that battleship right there. That we will. Let's get trained up on him. Bye-bye, birdie. Get trained up on him. Boom, 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 boom. I'll slow you down a hair. Yeah, that torpedo going to take him out. Boom, he gone.
Our victory is in sight.
Our victory is in sight. I just going to tell y'all it's been a great day here in East Texas. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, I can't do a whole lot more. We're going to turn so we don't hit this island. I don't think I can reach him. Oh, I can reach out. So we're going to stop. We'll just watch the rest of the game from here and shoot what little bit we can. Because I do have a slow reload. Won't take them long. Some destroyers are working him over pretty hard. You're going to get 2 torpedoes there. 1 there. My shells will hit. Well, 2 did anyway. Here comes the end of it. Boom, 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 boom. Got him. Hot dog, hot dog. We're going to drop 1 more quarter and we're going to call it good for the day. How's about that? All right, all right, all right. Boy, I had a big old limb fall out of one of my oak trees. And I'm going to get somebody to cut that up for me, but I use that for firewood. Yes, I can. But I don't have no saw or nothing to do that with. I sure ain't going to get out there and try to hand saw it. No. I'm too old, too out of shape to try anything like that. Alright, destroy all enemy ships, capture the base. Well, we're going to go straight down into their base is what I'm thinking. That's the goal anyway. Alright folks, here's what we're looking at. We're way over here. So let's just go down and take the base. Let them go, but battle. We'll go take the base. We'll shoot whatever gets in our way until then. Had me some walnuts and some blueberries a little bit ago for my lunch. And I'm here to tell you, you'd be surprised what half a cup of blueberries and half a cup of walnuts will do for you. I mean, don't sound like much, but it's, wow, I'm doing really well on them. I've been able to feel full, feel satisfied.
Enemy force sighted on the horizon.
Of course, I've got my coffee. I ain't going nowhere without my coffee. Heck, if I had bread and butter and coffee the rest of my days, I'd be happy. Happy, happy, happy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's come over here and go knock, knock. Knock, knock. Oh, yeah, we took out turret real quick like. Now that was a lucky hit. Alright, them turrets are 3-4 inches, some of them even 6 inches thick. So yeah, that was the definite lucky hit. Oh, confirmed penetration. Got a destroyer there in front of me. He's gonna send some torpedoes my way. Well, I'm working on this guy right now. Let's turn a little bit.
Torpedoes to starboard.
Oh man.
Torpedoes to starboard. Torpedoes to starboard.
And the torpedoes missed me.
Torpedoes to starboard.
It was a good thing I did turn,
Torpedoes to
because
starboard.
boy, they about had me.
Torpedoes to starboard.
Every torpedo in the Armada coming at me. I know you heard the alarms going off. All right. Come on, fire. Game's hesitating, folks. Game's hesitating. We'll take that one.
Cruiser.
Cut it around, boys. Cut it around. We'll turn port here and try to get back into the battle. Get up here and defend the base. I mean, they're about to tear that base up. Where they at? Right there. Okay.
That's how it's done. Enemy destroyer detected.
Come on, people, help me out here. What do I do? Where do I go? All right, all right, all right. We gotta do something. I would save a fire. I don't know what good we're going to do over here, but we're going to try anyway. I guess we will. Light that one on fire. He's trying to draw me away. He's doing a good job of
The
it.
enemy team is taking the lead.
But that's okay. We're going to wear him down again. Uh-huh. My guns are about to train up. I'm about to let them fly. Cut back a little bit more.
Enemy destroyer detected.
We'll slow up a hair. Boom, boom, boom. We're working on him, folks. We're working on him. They about eat our lunch. All right. But hey, we having fun, I believe. I'm having fun.
Enemy cruiser detected.
Enemy cruisers detected. Yeah, they're all over. Where aren't they? I'm up against the whole armada.
Enemy battleship detected. Enemy destroyer detected.
Trying to stay away from his guns, but he's been pretty good. And he sure has taken a beating from me, I tell you. We're doing what we can. We're doing what we can. That's all we can do, right?
Enemy
Turn
battleship
to armor
detected.
piercing. Ouch.
Enemy destroyer sighted.
Get the repair stations going. Alright, that was the last of the HEs now. Well, I got more HEs, but I'm going to armor piercing and try to punch a hole in him.
Torpedoes to starboard. Torpedoes dead ahead. The enemy is about to win.
Come on, reload, reload, reload. Dang gum, he been working me to death. There, we got him. My gracious, he's
Destroyed
working
an
me
enemy
hard.
battleship.
Come on, swing it around, swing him around. Yeah, this ain't gonna be healthy at all. But I'm right in the thick of it, so Hello, boys. I'm back.
Torpedoes to port.
We sunk an enemy destroyer. Enemy battleship foundered.
Yeah, they tear me up. Something fierce. But we're going down swinging. Gonna go down a swing. I mean, we didn't slouch. We've got 4 kills. I mean, we've done really well, considering. But I really don't think we're going to make much of a difference as far as the end game goes. Yeah. Throw another repair in there. See what we can't do. I am the last hope.
Enemy cruiser sunk.
Don't you realize there is no hope? It's a losing battle. I mean, well, there is 2 ships, so I have a chance. A snowball's chance, but I have a chance. Because they've got most of their help.
Battle ends in 5 minutes.
Yeah, buddy, this turned out to be a heck of a battle. What a battle. I got busy, stopped talking for a minute, but I'm sure you guys understand. Those of you who have stayed long enough to see what's going on. If we make it out of this here alive, I'll be shocked. Actually, I thought I'd already be dead. So, yes, sirree. Come on, train up, gun, train up.
Severely damaged.
Come on, gunfire. Come on, come on, come on.
Enemy cruiser
There's
fire
another
on
kill.
deck.
That's what, 6 kills? My gracious, what a battle, what a battle.
Problem solved, sir.
Problem solved, sir. Wow, I cannot. Wow, this is one of those odd games, I tell you. Anybody who's sat and watched this whole battle has really gotten a treat today. Turn, you tubbalard, turn. Man, I almost hit that island. Now, the good thing is I got a little more uh,
Heavily damaged.
yeah, I got a little more than he does, I believe. Very little more. Very little more. Slow down a little bit. Slow down, reverse it. We want to reverse. I'm trying to keep where I can do something maybe. I've got one more repair left. We'll use it. Try to take him down, but boy, it's not easy. They're coming right for me, but I can't pick up speed. I got putting it in reverse. It's going to be interesting, folks. It's going to be interesting. Has been interesting. Ouch. That hurt. Wow. What a battle, my friends. What a battle. We were defeated. Oh man, 6 kills, guys. 6 kills. Wow, what a battle. That was a battle. Wow. All right, I had fun. I really did. Hope you enjoyed it. Like it, subscribe, hit that little bell notification so you get everything I put out. All right, all right, all right. Y'all be good, be kind. May God bless you and keep you. 6 kills. My, my, my.